In many community health settings, such as Posyandu, nutritional assessments is still performed using tools and methods that were never designed for data-driven decision-making. Body weight may be measured, but dietary intake is often estimated subjectively, based on visual judgment and experience. From a scientific perspective, this creates a fundamental problem. When nutritional data relies heavily on human judgment, it becomes inconsistent, difficult to reproduce, and vulnerable to measurement bias. In pediatric nutrition, even small inaccuracies can lead to delay or incorrect classification, particularly in identifying children at risk of pre-stunting. It is important to emphasize that these challenges does not stem from a lack of commitment among health workers. Rather, it reflects the absence of a reliable, integrated tool can support their decision with object data. This is the gap that motivates our research. In response to this gap, we developed NutriThink. NutriThink is a smart nutrition scale that integrated IoT-based measurement, AI-driven food identification, and fuzzy logic-based nutritional evaluation. Importantly, NutriThink is not designed to replace health workers. Instead, it functions as a decision support system, providing consistent and interpretable data to strengthen community-level nutrition monitoring. NutriThink was conceptualized as a system, not merely a device. The hardware layer focused on accurate and repeatable physical measurement. The software and cloud layers handle data processing, analysis, and integration. By separating measurement, computation, and decision logic, the system becomes adaptable to different operational contexts while maintaining consistency in output. This architecture approach is essential for real-world deployment in heterogeneous Posyandu environments. This diagram illustrates the end-to-end workflow of NutriThink. Data acquisition begins at the Posyandu, where body weight and dietary input are captured. These data are transmitted to the cloud, where AI Vision identifies food component and fuzzy logic model nutritional evaluation. Throughout this process, raw measurements are transformed into structured, actionable information that can support early nutritional intervention. Based on this framework, the research objectives were clearly defined. First, to improve the accuracy and consistency of nutritional measurement. Second, to automate data processing and minimize subjective bias. Third, to develop a decision support system that can be realistically adopted in a community health practice. Methodologically, this study employed a system-based experimental approach. Body weight was measured using a calibrated load share sensor connected to a microcontroller for signal processing. Data transmission to the cloud was implemented to ensure stability and real-time availability. Dietary intake assessment utilized AI Vision, reducing subjectify by standardizing food identification and portion estimation. Fuzzy logic was selected as the decision model because it allows the system to represent expert reasoning while accommodating uncertainty inherent in real-world data. The result indicates a clear improvement in measurement performance. NutriThink achieved a mean absolute error of 1.7 grams and a limit of performance of 2.3 grams. In contrast, manual measurement approaches typically exhibit error in the range of 5 to 10 grams. While this difference may appear small, they are critical in pediatric nutrition, where minor deviation can influence nutritional classification and follow-up decisions. Field testing in Posyandu setting demonstrates stable system operation with functional success rate exceeding 80%. In conclusion, this research demonstrates that Nutri-Think is both technically robust and practically applicable. By integrating IoT, AI vision, and fuzzy logic, the system enhances the reliability of nutrition monitoring at the community health level. More broadly, this work illustrates how intelligent systems can be responsibly integrated into primary health care to support early detection and prevention of nutritional risks. The visual design follows a function-driven philosophy. Color, typography, and layout were intentionally selected to emphasize clarity, usability, and system logic, rather than visual decoration. This ensures the system remains accessible and practical for everyday use by frontline health workers. Thank you for your attention.